We've been talking about this all morning long, Vicki. Hitting 5,000, we're all technically on the road to 6,000 right now. How do you see it? Are we on just a straight path to 6,000, or do you see some possible bumps, potholes, whatever other kind of hazard could be out there?
I'd say potholes, not cliffs. I think eventually the market doesn't go straight up. You've gotten this huge run here since the bottom in October. You're up 25% or so. And so eventually we're going to have to take another consolidation breather. But for now, earnings have been supportive. The Magnificent Seven are still leading. You know, you're seeing the earnings growth, which was necessary. We needed to see things justify the valuations they were trading at. So as we've seen that earnings growth come in, and Goldman recently mentioned this in a note saying, hey, look, the Magnificent Seven can continue to run because they're having above average, above street revenue growth, which is demanding a premium right now. So not exactly bump free, but I definitely think the trajectory is still up.
All right, so we're not going to hit 6,000 today. We may close at 5,000, but I do want to look ahead to today. What's your WEX word of the day? How do you see today shaping up?
It's anticipation. After the ARM earnings, everybody is going to put more focus on NVIDIA, and it feels like the main event on the 21st. But for us, it's all about anticipation and what's under the hood. This earnings season has been all over the board. Even within certain sectors, you've seen some companies do well. Look at just even quick service, where you had Chipotle do great, but Yum and McDonald's suffer. And so you look around and you say earnings matter so much. What's under the hood? We've got Pepsi on board today, and we have a lot on board next week. So there's still this feeling of anticipation and excitement. And I think it all builds to NVIDIA on the 21st, especially after the ARM holdings. Right. I mean, if they're 2 times what NVIDIA is, what do they have under the hood?
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. I agree with you on this one. There is a lot of anticipation for next week. We also have a CPI read next week, but today we have a CPI revision. Is that an event for a CPI revision? We've been talking a lot about job revisions on the show, but CPI revisions, does that actually matter?
I think it's a very light econ week, so a CPI revision this week tends to be a little bit more of an event, but I don't see it as necessarily a headliner event. Another data point, you know, we did get PPI and ISM, and some of that we're looking at is, you know, we looked at the prices paid this week, and that was a huge data point that picked up. So all of these are little breadcrumbs, not necessarily a main event, but certainly important data, and that investors should watch to see what sentiment might be moving up or down.
All right, so we're having a pretty good earnings season. Right now, EPS coming in just about 7% higher than the expectations. One of your picks is a company reporting today. It's Pepsi. Why is this a good stock to buy today? What are you expecting from the report?
So I'm hoping for a beat. It would be their 20th straight quarter of beats. They're known for being conservative with guidance, and they surprised the street in October with their last report where they raised their guidance for 2024, which was very rare for them. Typically, they don't do that until this earnings report. They've gotten a little bit of hate recently from some analysts saying, hey, look, they raised the bar. It might be too hard for them to pass, but they're such a conservative company. I cannot imagine they raised the bar without thinking they could beat it this quarter. I think they'll beat. I know there's some concerns on the Middle East, but their pricing mix and their snack portfolio, it's all about snacks. That's their highest revenue, highest grossing area of the business, and it continues to grow well. And as we hit Super Bowl Sunday, you've got Tostitos, you've got Lay's, you've got Fritos, you've got Doritos. It's all the snacks.